trying to come inside and give me a message. It's sitting on that tree, and all morning it's been coming and hitting the window. I don't know what it wants to tell me, but it's been now 3 hours, and it has been just coming here. It started off just banging on the window, but now it's just like, I want to come in, I want to come in. This bird seems to have a message for me, so I'm going to come outside and see what's going on, because it's been here now for the last 3 hours. Like I said, it keeps flying to this window and trying to get inside the master bedroom. So at this property, I came here today, and this bird is on a mission. It takes a good rest, then it flies and knocks on the window, and then it comes back, either sits on the fence or it sits on the palm tree. So if anyone knows what this bird call is, because here it goes again. Here it goes again. Oh, okay, I figured out what it is. This window here has chrome, and to keep the sun out, it's a shiny type of tint. So it's seeing a bird and it wants to go and talk to the bird. So it's trying all sorts of calls and song and dance here, because it knows that there's someone there. It believes there's a bird there. This is what happens when you do the window tinting, and it's the shiny chrome one. You're confusing the animals. So now for the last 3 hours, this bird wants to know why the bird in the window will not talk to him or her, or why it just is there. It knows it's there. It's making this bird go crazy. It's actually seeing itself. Oh wow. So this is a 3-hour-long process, and this bird cannot get in the house. It cannot talk to the other bird. It just goes for a little bit. It doesn't take too long of a rest, and it doesn't understand what's going on. It has found the most beautiful bird in the window tinting. To figure out, the bird is back to figure out how it can get in this room, or how it can talk to the bird. It's seeing a reflection of itself in the chrome window tinting that we did. This room gets very, very bright and very, very hot. And so this one window is different from the rest of them. You can actually see yourself from the other side. And for the last 3 hours, this bird is so confused. It does not know. I actually had to walk around the outside and find out what's going on and why the bird is here all morning. But the thing is, I thought it would fly away if it saw me, but it does not care. If I'm standing there, it's only interested in the bird in the window that is not even there. But yet it sees it. It does not understand. Tried all sorts of bird calls. And yeah, this is something that is going to be really hard for the bird to get into its bird brain, that there is no other bird. It's just himself or herself. And that brings to me the thought that we all think that everybody is different in the world, and yet the saints tell us that at a higher level you are all one. And we don't understand, so I don't expect this bird to understand that there is no other bird.